Question number 1. The purposes of this code is the practical safeguarding of person and property from hazards arising from the use of electricity. This code is not intended as design specifications or an instruction manual for untrained persons. Answer: practical safeguarding. Question number 2. This code contains provisions that are considered necessary for safety. Compliance therewith and proper maintenance result in installation that is essentially free from hazard but not necessarily efficient, convenient, or adequate for good service or future expansion of electrical use. Answer: adequacy. Question number 3. The requirements in this code addresses the fundamental principles of protection for safety contained in Section 131 of International Electrotechnical Commission Standards, Section 131 Electrical Installation of Buildings. Answer: relation to other internal standard. Question number 4. The authority having jurisdiction for enforcing this code may grant exception for the installation of conductors and equipment that are not under exclusive control over electric utilities and are used to connect electric utility supply system to the service conductor of the premises served, provided such installations are outside a building or structure, or terminate inside at a readily accessible location nearest the point of entrance of the service conductor. Answer: special permission. Question number 5. Mandatory rules of this code are those that identify actions that are specifically required or prohibited and are characterized by the use of the term shall or shall not. Answer: mandatory rules. Question number 6. Permissive rules of this code are those that identify actions that are allowed but not required or normal use to describe actions or alternative methods and are characterized by the use of the term shall be permitted or shall not be required. Answer: permissive rule. Question number 7. Explanatory material, such as references to other standards, references to related sections of this code, or information related to a code rule, is included in this code in form of informational notes. Search notes are informational only, enter not enforce the rule as requirements of this code. Answer: explanatory material. Question number 8. Non-mandatory information relative to the use of the National Electrical Code is provided in informative annexes. Informative annexes are not part of this code of the enforceable requirements of the National Electrical Code, but are included for information purposes only. Answer: informative annexes. Question number 9. To promote uniformity relative of interpretation and application of this code, formal interpretation procedures have been established and are found in that NFPA regulations governing committee projects. Answer: formal interpretations. Question number 10. For specific items of equipment and materials referred to in this code, examination for safety made under standard conditions provide a basis for formal approval where the record is made generally available through promulgation by organizations properly equipped and qualified for experimental testing, inspections of the run of good at factories, and services value determination through inspections. Answer: examination of equipment for safety. Question number 11. Plans and specifications that provide ample space in raceways, spare raceways, and additional spaces allow for future increases in electrical power and communication circuits. Distribution centers located in readily accessible locations provide convenience and safety of operation. Answer: wiring planning, Part A, future expansion and convenience. Question number 12. It is elsewhere provided in this code that the number of circuits confined in a single enclosure be very restricted. Limiting the number of circuits in a single enclosure minimizes the fact from short circuit or ground fault. Answer: number of circuits in enclosures.